Somebody's mum.
Get fucking done.
Did he just say what I thought he says, dirty bastard? I'll pick your eyes out.
Bunch of
Fucking
smelly
off my
bastards.
hands.
I wish these clatty
Telling you,
cunts would
they're-
hang
they're a
about
bunch of
McDonald's or
hypocrites, and you
something.
keep them away from here, man.
My heat's stuck. My heat it's stuck. Can somebody keep it up?
The wankers. I'm Rory and I'm a wankster. I might accidentally wank someone off.
Come on, Terry, why get your rein under control? What's he going on about? He's going to wank that swan off and he's going to wank that one off.
I can get
You're going to shut up before I twist your head up.
I'm so scared.
Yeah, biscuit. Chili. What the fuck, mate? Come on, you fucking pig.
Look at it. Get the punch
Fucking
way
stick
up
this right in your fucking dick.
What do you know of me? What we're doing?
Oh, sorry about it.
Where's the wee Diagon?
See? Look what you've done now, you fucking imbecile.
Who the hell do you think you're talking to?
You don't want to mess with me, mate. I know people better. She knows people. I know people. I know folk with jaggy things that I can stick in your eyes.
Buddy, I was just thought, look, well, I'm bigger than any con here. I'll wrap a lot in with her.
You rap but not nobody.
That your buck, that you go, I will stick something in your paw.
If you don't punch his cunt, then I'm going to punch your cunt. Let me at him. I'll get myself. Go to bloody road.